Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about Cliplabs.io platform. So is this product you can say platform really legit or it's a scam? So my dear friends, basically I want to inform you what is this kind of platform. In today's time there are lots of website available on the internet with the same category, okay? And when you click on the website, they will redirect to a new window. On the new window you will see lots of, you can say, search results which is related to the advertisement you have seen. Like if you have seen any kind of advertisement related to digital marketing course, related to earn money, how you can make money and all, you will see these kind of advertisement on there, you can say, next page, okay? And when you click on the next page, they will redirect you to a new, you can say, official websites and all. So all are basically, this is not a scam, but this is a very smart trick. They just use you can say any algorithm by which they placed all the advertisement in their website. Like cliplab.io, they have placed all the advertisement in their website, and when anyone click on the links, all the you can say income or all the commission on the website owner will get, okay? So basically this is the only working model of these kind of platforms. But if we talk about the scam, so you need to be very careful before filling any kind of form or before filling any kind of information related to your personal information, related to your financial information. You should not provide any kind of financial or personal information on these kind of websites, okay? If you really want to join any kind of money earning programs, then you can go some official, you can say, websites, or where you can really get some kind of courses and all, where you can get some kind of benefits and all. So like there are lots of popular you can say brands, or you can say platform, where you can learn lots of, you can say, courses and all. So you should join these kind of platforms, not these kind of platform. All are, you can say, they are just, you can say, using some tricks, and they are just getting commissions by the advertisement or anything, okay? So this is the information. Now you can make your own decision. What you have to do, you are a smart person, you can make your own decision, okay? So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.